Today is the day to create something new, to envision new possibilities, a new network environment, disruptive technology, and new business opportunities. It is time to become a pioneer of this new era. We have what is required: talent, learning ability, and agility to adapt and create new technologies to lead entire industries. The CALIBAJA mega region represents a combined market of $255 billion with a population of over 7 million. California is well recognized as the biggest biotechnology cluster, and Baja California as the medical device capital of North America. The electronics industry is one of the most representative of our region, with a success record of more than 50 years of constant development and evolution, creating one successful business case after another. We are ready and able to join in reimagining and creating a better future. Are you in?